So this is the car park A at Beaulieu Park station. And here is the station entrance. This is one of the ticket machines in the station. And here is the gate line. This station also provides step-free access between the platforms, which means that there's a lift, a staircase, and a footbridge linking between platform 3 and the exit, and also with platforms 1 and 2. And here is the lift connecting the footbridge and platforms 1 and 2. And here we go. This is platforms 1 and 2. Platforms 1 and 2 is an island platform, so yeah. And here's the sign for Beaulieu Park. And here is a Greater Anglia service towards London-Liverpool Street, arriving at platform 1.
Liverpool Street. We will be calling at Chelmsford.
And here is another Greater Anglia service towards Colchester Town, departing from platform 3. We also found out that there's a water fountain in this station, so we tried to see if the water's fresh and clean. And yeah, even my brother is now tasting it. Let's see what he says. Does it taste good?
Really good, really fresh.
And this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching and wish you a Merry Christmas. Also remember to subscribe Adrian's UK Life and Ethan's UK Life.